This iPhone 16 Pro was just bought by a fan from the Apple official store. It's a China version with 128GB storage because the fan wanted to use it personally. There was no intention to sell it. After buying it, they came straight to us to upgrade it to 1TB. Let me ask you a question. What phone do you have? And how much storage does it have? The iPhone 16 Pro is different from previous models. If you want to remove the motherboard, you must start by removing the back glass, whether it's a cold removal or hot removal. After the back glass is removed, the waterproof adhesive must be replaced. Using a suction cup to gently pull up, the back glass easily opens a gap. After opening the back cover, the first thing you see is the metal battery. Honestly, at first glance, it's very pleasing to the eye. From my experience using it these past few days, battery life is more durable than the iPhone 15 Pro, and heating has been greatly improved. Disconnect the back glass connection cable, and we can remove the back cover. The back glass, which used to break easily, is reinforced with an iron plate in this generation. We then disconnect all the cables, remove the earpiece, and the Face ID components, so we can lift up the motherboard. Disconnect the sensing cable on the back, and the motherboard can be removed easily. We can clearly see the square component in the upper left corner is the 128GB storage chip. Remove the buffer foam next to the socket. The buffer foam in the iPhone 16 series has also been improved. On the side of the motherboard, there is also a plastic bracket for insulation. Tear off the aluminum foil on the storage chip area. Since we don't yet have a grinding machine mold, we will manually grind it. We could also use the hot removal method, but to reduce repair rates and risks, we'll still use the grinding method for removal. Grinding to this degree is enough. The downside is that it's not as perfect as a grinding machine. Then, using a heat gun at 300 degrees Celsius, the chip can be easily removed. We flatten and clean the storage area. Then heat the new 1TB storage chip and form solder balls, ensuring each solder point is uniform in size. Perfect. Install the new 1TB chip. Heat until a slight press shows it springing back into place. That means it's installed. Clean the motherboard again. Reapply the buffer foam to the socket. Reinstall the earpiece and Face ID components. Clean off the residual adhesive around the back cover frame. Use alcohol and cotton swabs to repeatedly clean. Then install the back cover. After this process, although we saved several thousand yuan, we lost the official 1-year warranty. If it were you, would you choose to do this? Close the back cover. Put it in the hot press machine for 3 minutes. Since we replaced the storage chip, the phone cannot boot yet because the storage chip has no system. Connected to the computer, it's in DFU recovery mode. Then use iTunes to restore it to iOS 18 with expanded storage. It won't affect any usage. Later, you can restore or upgrade the system at will, and it won't be affected. After a successful restore, check about this device. This iPhone 16 Pro has been successfully expanded from 128GB to 1TB. Then we test the airtightness. Everything is back to its original state. Thank you for watching.